In this video we will learn how to draw and edit windows. We can select the appropriate type of the window through the program library. We can easily define the window parameters such as its height, rise and length, as well as its label layout, and all other attributes included in the dialog box. To place a window, first we select the wall, and then we define the first point, either with the mouse or by entering the distance from the edge of the wall. Then we define the second point in the label position. We can make easily any modification, or even to copy the window to another position. Any modification can be done in the 2D or 3D model in real time. Regarding shutters, we can add them to a window by just clicking on it, and then by selecting the desired type of shutters through the library. We can adjust the opening percentage of the shutters in 2D and 3D view and define their opening side. By using the Layer Management dialog, we can filter any layers of the drawing, as for example the opening labels. We can easily copy our window into another wall, and everything is being updated automatically. We can transform any window to a door or vice versa. We can select the desired layout of the label through the library. In a similar way, to insert a door we just select the wall, and then we enter the first, the second point in the opening side. We can select 2 or more windows to proceed to multiple modifications. Windows can be edited through their dialog or by using the property panel. or by dragging grips with the mouse.